We're at Robin Hill Park the day after the snowfall. Can't tell it was a day ago though. The fine flakes filtered through the trees, making it really pretty in here too. But with the path bare, it's perfect for a safe walk. Don't know about squirrels though, we shall see. It is beautiful. Really different than Dungeness Rec area. Forest is more mature. At least 1.5 inches here. Now we're on the roll. Squirrel alert, squirrel alert. Oh, pulling me up the hill. Here we go. False alarm, maybe. Whew, got me up the hill. Wanna go this way, Sky? Let's go this way. We're the first to walk here. Amazing. Beautiful. Slow, easy. Sky, easy. I don't want to slip. This way. It's pretty. Oh. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. Sky, I need 2 hands. Oh my goodness. I knew this was gonna be a marathon. A squirrelathon. Sky, wait. It's hard to hold us steady. Oh, a little pond, frozen. Wow. Where you going, Sky? Backtracking. intersection. Which way, Sky? Oh, okay. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Maybe the squirrels are hibernating or staying in their nests. Warm spots, holes in a tree. It is cold in here. Definitely well below freezing. That's what's keeping all the snow on the limbs. No drips. And out to the meadow. Yeah, nice. Picnic, anyone? We've sled down this hill before. It's a popular place to go sledding when there's plenty of snow. Clearly not enough snow now. Go down this path along the edge of the woods. The bike's been in here. Wonder if it was an e-bike. Uh-oh. I think that was just a bird, Sky. Hey. Okay. Who's there, Sky? Come back. Back. Sky, come back. Back. Come on, this way. Back. Back. No. Back. Back. Good girl. Back. Back. That's a good girl. Oh, thank goodness she made her way back. I don't have to dig in there to get her. Come on, girl. Maybe there's a squirrel this way. I hope not. Slippery. Uh-oh. Oh, there's a squirrel. Where'd he go, Sky? I hear it. Where'd he go? Good girl. You found one in a safe location. Yeah. Here he is, way up the trunk. Hi, squirrel. See you next time, squirrel. Come on, Sky, let's go find another one. Come on, girl, this way. Out along the edge of the meadow again. Beautiful. Really pretty walk. Kind of like the lighter covering of snow. You can see the path, and the trees aren't totally covered. Oh, gotta watch my step. Wait, Sky. We're at the bottom of the hill, just about. Gonna head back up into the woods. It's beautiful in here. Really awesome. Back into the woods. Come on, Sky. Let's go this way. Come on. Good girl. Every corner is a different scene of beauty in this snowy environment. It's hard to walk the dog and record video at the same time in the snow, besides my fingers being freezing cold and potentially slipping at every corner. But it's worth it to share this with my viewers and my wife. Diane's staying home for this walk. Her knee's acting up a little bit, so she needed a break. Uh-oh, what we got here, Sky? Got a scent of something. I don't know, Sky. I don't see any obvious critter tracks. We had another close encounter with a squirrel, but vegetation was too intense for me to record. I think I heard a squirrel. Another hiker. Who's there? Who's there? I don't see anybody. Oh, yes, I do. Hi, squirrel. Eating a cone. Where is he? This is the telltale evidence of a squirrel living in a tree. Lots of shells from, I guess, from cones. Yep, this is his territory, Sky. He doesn't care about dogs or people. All right, Sky. Let's make our way out. She's studying the treetops. She wants to find one more, at least. Got an idea, Sky? Where you going? Backtracking again? Oh, did we miss our turn, Sky? Squirrel noise. This is steep, but there's wood chips all along the path to help stabilize the path. Back to the main path, heading towards the parking lot. I don't know about you, but I'm exhausted. Up and down snowy paths, squirrel alerts, jumping into the woods, getting entangled. With all this breathtaking beauty, I'm okay with that. I'm getting pulled again. trail. Horse trail. All right, Sky, we're gonna go on the foot trail here. Yep. Just about out of the woods at the intersection of the Olympic Discovery Trail. A beautiful snowy hike in the woods. Come on. Here we are at the parking lot. Watch my step, it's frozen.